Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share my tutorial. This tutorial is about how to make a bench, how to make a conventional bench like this. First of all, you have to make a rotated rectangle first, then position it on origin node like this, then press 1400 millimeter. Okay, then you can set the width of the bench is around 550 millimeter like this. Okay, I will show you about the dimension for the first step like this, so you can match it with your SketchUp. Okay, this is 1400 and for 550 millimeter. Okay, after that you have to make it the thickness. You can push it until 60 millimeter. Okay, you can set it until 60 millimeter. This object is for make a frame. This is a frame object anyway. Then you can delete some unnecessary object with a push and pull tools, something like this. Then after that you can move it up until 40 after until 400 millimeter like this. Then you should make a support. You have to make a support and don't forget to make it component like this. Then position and move it into a proper position like this. Move it into a proper position and press Ctrl to duplicate it. You can see that one object can adjust automatically with when you edit one of those object. You all of our object can adjust automatically because you make it component. Then don't forget to make a support frame like this. Just make a support frame and make it component also. Then press move and copy this on right side. Then you can rotate and copy. You can rotate and duplicate the component like this. Press 90 degree millimeter for long. Then don't forget to make unique, because this is another kind of support frame. You can move it and press Ctrl to duplicate it like this. After that you should make another frame. Okay, you can select this. You can select both of the support and make unique. Then you should push it up to be a backbench, to be a backrest. Okay, and then you have to make another frame like this. You can make another frame and move it up with move and press Ctrl like it. Then you can make it component, and then you can move it down with move and press Ctrl, and you can continue to make another frame, to make a support frame like this. You can press 30 millimeter because it's only a support frame. And don't forget to make it a component, then move it and press Ctrl like this, and you can type 5 and slash. then it will be automatically generated uh, to be a support frame like this. Then you can make another frame, another armrest. You can make another armrest like this, and you can select the both of the line, the vertically and horizontally line, and you can select offset. You can offset maybe 40 millimeter, 40 millimeter offset. Then you can complete this object. You can complete this object like this, and you can push it on right side like this. Okay, then don't forget to move this area. Please select with a left click and select only this object and press move, and you can move it until to this position and make it component. Then duplicate it and with select this node and press Ctrl on your keyboard like this. Okay, like this. Okay, then you have to move it. You have to move this frame to equal with the front side of this back support like this. Then you have to make a board. You have to make a board like this with the thickness as you want, and make it component and duplicate it with move and press Ctrl like this video. Then you can move this onto the proper position anyway. Then for the last step is make the board of bench like this and push up push it up until a proper thickness of the board of the bench, and then you can move and press Ctrl, and you can set the gap between the board like this. Okay, after that this is a tutorial, or you can add some support like this. You can position it on center of the bench like this and press make eric and connect this support to the another support in front and behind the support like this. After that, you can set up all this component to be one material like this. Then don't forget to make it group, and it's complete. Okay, don't forget to improve your skill to modeling SketchUp by another complex model or complex building, so you can take the exercise more and more. Then your skill will be improved automatically by your routine and daily exercise. Thanks for